of tranquility with the captivating interior overview of this thoughtfully designed room, where windows serve as portals to a world of natural beauty. The room is bathed in soft, diffused sunlight, creating an inviting and warm atmosphere. Expansive windows, adorned with flowing curtains that dance with the gentle breeze, frame a picturesque view of nature's wonders. Lush greenery and vibrant blooms outside provide a living canvas that changes with the seasons, making every glance out the window a moment of serenity. The windows are strategically positioned to allow the maximum infusion of natural light, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and the outdoors. The room is adorned with light, neutral colors that reflect and amplify the sunlight, giving the space an airy and open feel. Comfortable seating by the windows invites you to unwind and bask in the glow of the sun. Plush cushions and throws add a touch of coziness, creating an ideal spot for relaxation, reading, or simply daydreaming as you gaze out into the world beyond. As daylight wanes, the room transforms with the shifting colors of the sky. Soft, ambient lighting complements the natural illumination, creating a warm and inviting space for quiet evenings or intimate gatherings. The play of light and shadows adds a layer of sophistication to the room's ambiance. In this carefully curated interior, the windows are not just functional openings. They are portals to a harmonious blend of nature and design. The room invites you to experience the beauty of the outside world from the comfort of your own sanctuary, making it a place where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors seamlessly blur, and the beauty of both worlds is celebrated.